Hello and welcome back to my channel once again, people. Today we are going to talk about creative portraits. With me I have my friend Anu, who is a model and an actress also, and she is going to be the subject for this shoot. Since it's festive season, we thought we'll get some nice idea and interesting concepts to this video. Do subscribe to our channel and keep watching this video right till the end. Coming up, I'm using my full frame camera today, the Sony A7 Mark III, and I have the 50mm lens on it with aperture 1.8. But remember, it's not the gear, it's you who make the shot happen. You can shoot this concept with your phones and with your camera as well. So what we are going to do now is we are going to use this snow spray to create artificial snowfall. We are going to spray it in front and also the behind of the model so that we get a nice depth and a realistic snowfall effect. Let's see what we get. So we are now going to use a smoke stick, which is going to have a nice burst of smoke coming out, giving our image a nice magical look. So we are going to try something very different today, something very unique. What I'm going to do is here, I'm going to put this white cloth over Anu and make her appear as she's like a ghost floating in the air. We have a video on double exposure photography editing. The link is right up there. You can try it and let's see what we get. I'm all excited about this. So I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed shooting it for you. If I shoot these kind of images, please do tag me on my Instagram handle or email it to me on my email address mentioned in the link below. A lot of good stuff coming up, people. So please subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video next week.